Hello everyone. In this issue, I would like to talk about how to get cheap, daily necessities for living in Japan for a good price. I will introduce some specific ideas on how to get the essential items for daily life at a great price, so please take a look at them. We will work together with you to find ways to shop wisely, as a little bit of daily effort can save you a great deal of money. Furthermore, saving money in your life will not only help your finances, but it will also lead to less stress and more enjoyable days. 1. Take advantage of drugstores. Find out about the point system at major drugstores. It is a good idea to detail which stores offer the highest point rewards and special sale days. For example, comparing the point redemption rates and campaigns of Welsha and Matsumoto Kiyoshi can be useful information for your audience. There are also events such as Customer Appreciation Days and Point Days that offer even greater savings on certain days, so it is important to shop accordingly on these days. Food and daily necessities are often available at drugstores at lower prices, and by making good use of bulk purchases, significant savings can be expected. In addition, by using each store's loyalty card or app, you can receive discount coupons or double points. Some drugstores also offer regular sales on pharmaceuticals and cosmetics, so timing your purchases accordingly is a key to saving money. 2. Purchasing at discount stores. Describe the differences between Don Quixote's Mega Donkey stores and regular stores, and the advantages of large stores. We also recommend researching and presenting a ranking of popular products and cost-effective items at business supermarkets. At business supermarkets, many products are available in large quantities, and are especially recommended for families and people living in shared houses. Don Quixote is often open late at night, which is convenient for busy people, and while the store is filled with a wide variety of goods, there is also the pleasure of taking the time to find bargains. Many items, especially food and daily necessities, can be found at prices lower than those of regular supermarkets. You can save even more money by targeting seasonal sales and products with limited quantities. Discount stores also have bargains at surprising prices, and finding them is part of the fun. Furthermore, you can sometimes find non-goods items such as electronics and clothing at lower prices, so the key is to use them extensively. 3. Use of 100 yen stores. Recommend products e.g., cleaning supplies, kitchen utensils, etc. at 100 yen stores. It is especially helpful to pick up items of good quality and share them with your audience. Recently, the quality of products at 100 yen stores has been improving, and cleaning and storage items are cosmetically pleasing. Stores such as Daiso and Celia offer seasonal decorations and useful kitchen goods, so you can easily find items to add color to your life at a reasonable price. Show viewers specifically what items are particularly useful, so they can use them in their actual shopping. 100 yen stores also offer a wide range of useful items such as cosmetics and stationery, which are especially useful information for students and housewives. Furthermore, DIY items and gardening supplies are often available for 100 yen, making them a good choice for those who enjoy creative activities. Because many items can be purchased on a small budget, the appeal of 100 yen stores is that they are extremely cost-effective. 4. Use online shopping. Know the dates of special sales and point-up campaigns on Amazon, Rakuten, Yahoo Shopping, etc., and learn how to take advantage of them in a timely manner. For example, it is good to explain about Amazon Prime Day and Rakuten Super Sale for discount information and how to get the best deals. Online retailers make it easy to compare prices and find the lowest prices. Also, for products that are purchased regularly, discounts are often available through subscription services, which can save you more money. In addition, take advantage of events such as Rakuten Ichiba's Shopping Marathon, where you can earn lots of points by consolidating your purchases over a specific period of time. By taking advantage of these events, you can earn more points than usual and use them for your next purchase. Also, by checking reviews on online shopping, you can avoid making mistakes in selecting products, which in turn will help you avoid unnecessary expenses. 5. Maximize point redemption. Be specific about credit card point redemption rates and how they are redeemed at specific stores. It is important to research stores that accept T-points and PONA points, and explain in detail their respective features and locations where they can be used. In addition, there are many campaigns that allow you to earn even more points by using cashless payment methods. For example, using e-money such as PayPay or Rakuten Pay may earn you additional points. In order to take full advantage of point redemption, it is important to have a clear understanding of which payment methods offer the best value at what time. Also, by using the right combination of credit cards, you can accumulate even more points, and have the advantage of redeeming them for travel, gift certificates, etc. Furthermore, it is important not only to accumulate points, but also to know when to use them. Spending points, especially during campaign periods, can save you even more money. 6. Reduce costs by buying in bulk. List products suitable for bulk purchases, e.g., toilet paper, detergent, pasta, etc., and find out where to buy each at the best price, comparing Costco and business supermarkets to see which is better suited for what products will make it easier for your audience to choose. Costco is membership-based, but offers large volume items at low prices. They also offer an extensive tasting service, which allows viewers to taste before they buy. At commercial supermarkets, frozen foods and seasonings can be obtained at low prices, and especially if you take advantage of large volume commercial use products, you can save on your family budget. Another key to buying in bulk is to choose items that can be used for a long period of time. This will save you the trouble of frequent shopping trips and provide additional savings. When buying in bulk, you also need to think about storage space. By storing items properly, you can use them up without wasting them and save money more efficiently. 7. Use of home centers. Gather reviews and satisfaction information about private brand products from home improvement stores. For example, a list of cosmetic items, such as Kane's products, can provide useful information for your audience. Home centers offer not only DIY products, but also a wide variety of daily necessities and food products. Private brand products, in particular, are often of high quality, but at a reduced price, helping to save money. They also have a wide variety of yard work and gardening supplies that are not available at other stores, which can be used for home maintenance and hobbies. In addition, home improvement stores sometimes offer seasonal sales and events, which make them even more affordable. It is also effective to check the home improvement store's flyers and apps for sale information in advance and purchase the products you are aiming for at the best price. 8. Choosing private brand products. Make a list of reputable private brand products from each retailer, such as Aeon's Topalo and 7-Eleven 7 Premium. Consumer reviews are also a good way to explain in detail how each product is a good value. Private brand products are a good choice for household budgets because of their high quality and low prices. For example, Aeon's Topalo carries a wide range of products and offers many choices from daily necessities to food products. 7-Eleven 7 Premium also offers high-quality products at a convenience store and is easy to purchase. In addition, many of these private brand products are organic and environmentally friendly, making them a good choice for the health-conscious and environmentally conscious. By choosing private brand products, you can obtain products of equivalent quality at a lower price, and consequently reduce the burden on your family budget. 9. Target special sales days. A good idea is to research the Customer Appreciation Day or Special Sale Day schedules of supermarkets and retailers and present them in calendar form. Also, provide details about which products are cheaper on special sale days, and which days of the week are best for shopping. By shopping for special sale days, you can save more than usual. Some supermarkets also have time sales, so you can save even more by going at the right time. Special sale information can often be found on store websites or in flyers, so it is important to check in advance and plan your shopping accordingly. It is also recommended to go first thing in the morning on special sale days, to ensure that you can get the most popular items. Furthermore, you can shop more efficiently and save more money by keeping track of special sale days at nearby supermarkets and making good use of multiple stores. 10. Use of coupons. Introduce the apps and websites where coupons are available and explain the benefits of each. For example, explaining specifically how apps such as Line Coupon and Takubuy can be used to save the most money can be useful information for the viewer. In addition to paper coupons, there are an increasing number of digital coupons that can be easily used on smartphones. By making good use of these coupons, you can save more money on your everyday shopping. In addition, by combining different types of coupons, such as coupons that can be used only for specific products or store-specific discount coupons, it is possible to save a great deal of money. There are tips on how to use coupons, and it is important to use them before they expire, and to make sure that they can be used in conjunction with other discounts. In addition, the key is to check the application regularly for coupons so that you don't miss any new ones. Many coupons are only available for a limited time, so be sure to use them at the right time to save even more money. Conclusion: by using these methods successfully, you can save money on your daily living expenses. Please try them out and enjoy the savings. And although these savings methods are a series of small efforts, they will make a big difference in the long run. It is important for everyone to find a way to save money that suits you and to continue to do so without strain. Saving money is not something to be endured, but a way to spend money wisely. Let's continue to enjoy saving money together. Saving money starts with a little ingenuity, so please start with what you can do. We will continue to bring you information that is useful for everyone, so please stay tuned. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to our channel and give us a high rating. We look forward to bringing you more useful information in the next installment. Thank you for watching.